Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to this beautiful, fully furnished house located at Pyramid Point. Pyramid Point is a brand new development on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. No details has been spared in making this particular unit complete with all the trappings of comfort, convenience, and functionality. Outside additions include the 800-gallon water tank, planter wall boxes around the property, an automated water sprinkler for the enhanced landscaping, a concrete paved driveway for the perimeter of the property, an elevated metal gazebo with privacy and insect screens, a storeroom, an outdoor pipe with sink, on the interior, window and door insect screens, roller blinds, recessed lighting throughout, a bar area, lazy Susan in the kitchen, among other details. The Pyramid Point community offers 24-hour security, a multi-purpose court, swimming pool, and gym, all towards the northern end of the property, offering magnificent views of the sea and the coastline of Ocho Rios. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 565,000 or Jamaican $86.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.